here in Nigeria, Wednesday's trading hours were cut short for the New Year holiday as investors and others lay back to take stocks of the year. And here's my recap today at both the Nigerian Exchange and the FMDQ Securities Exchange. I'm here on Customs Street at the Central Business District of Lagos, Nigeria's financial capital. It's Wednesday, the 31st of December, and it's been a very strong year of trading across some of the biggest exchanges in Nigeria. And I'm here to find out how bullish it's been for investors and on the back of what the year 2025 has achieved. Come with me. The Nigerian Exchange, one of the biggest on the African continent, is reporting a very bullish year 2025. 50.6% on the index return. And of course, a chunk of that, 25% from foreign investors who are leveraging the stability in the FX market in the year under review. The Central Bank of Nigeria has supported the market, according to the head of the NGX, due to stability and policies in the foreign exchange market over the last 2 years, bringing more foreign investors, but also helping local investors, including the PFAs, to do more in the local market. Retail investors, for example, are now nearing 1 million people every day going online and trading shares on the Nigerian Exchange. On the debt side, the NGX reported on Wednesday that the market's seen about 3 trillion naira so far in 2025, while the derivatives market keep expanding as you see more broker dealing firms introducing more derivatives, exchange traded funds and other products into the market, all on the back of the robust trading platform that the Nigerian Exchange provides. Now, as we step into 2026, the exchange believes there is more that will be achieved, even with more listings, both on the equity side, on the fixed income side, and more innovation, even as the exchange itself renovates its own trading floor, bringing it to 21st century standards. You've got a lot to look out for in the new year. I'm standing here at the archives of the FMDQ Securities Exchange, one of the biggest exchanges in Nigeria. In actual fact, it's the home of fixed income, government bonds, commercial papers, and other issues from both the government and the private sector. The year 2025 had been very active here at the FMDQ. Of course, one of the biggest events of the year for the FMDQ was the goodbye that was said to Bola Onodele Koko, the pioneer, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of FMDQ. Of course, he started the pioneer at the exchange from the 1st of August 2013 until his tenure ended on June the 30th, 2025. Bola Onodele Koko will be sorely missed at the FMDQ. But let's get back to the market. You can see behind me a little bit of an archive of the FGN debt securities, the primary function of the FMDQ, providing a platform for trading in primary issues provided by the Debt Management Office, the Central Bank of Nigeria, including the Ministry of Finance. And as soon as these bonds and NTBs are floated by government agencies, then it goes straight to the market for secondary trading. And that is where you trade. And that is all more about trade. That's what the FMDQ is all about. The trading, the quotations for commercial papers, for bonds, and every other issues that's brought here to the market. But that's on the government side. If you look on the commercial side, you find companies listed and unlisted coming to the FMDQ to provide a platform for investors to invest in very huge multi-billion naira instruments from big names such as Dangote, the MTN and others, including banks and non-banking names. They find their home here in 2025 at the FMDQ, and the numbers really show that this market has provided that stability for the FX market as well. So beyond the debt instrument, we've seen the FMDQ providing that infrastructure that stabilizes Nigeria's exchange rate in the year 2025 and even into the new year 2026. But whatever it has been for 2025, hope it's been profitable with the bull sitting right here at the entrance of the Nigerian Exchange in central Lagos. Reporting for Arise News, I am Bosin Omo.